Okay guys, so this is the F-250. We already washed it, we already cleaned it from the inside, and we're just pretty much looking at it, where to start. But the first thing that we're gonna start with is the bed. So let's go over here. So this is the first thing that we're gonna start, guys. As you can see, there's a factory primer, so that's really good for us. We don't have to do that much. All I'm gonna do right now is gonna power wash it. All this nasty dirt, look at this, all everywhere. There's bottles and everything in it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean it and just let it dry. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so we're pretty much done washing the whole thing. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take these plastics off and this little bar right here, so we could like start messing with it. So let me get to it.
Alright guys, so what we're doing right now is we're pretty much just cleaning the bottom of the bed to get it clean, because we have some paint there. It's a heavy duty frame paint, and as you can see, it already has a factory primer, so there's nothing really much to it. We just got to make sure it's clean so we can just throw on the paint on there. So right now we're just pretty much cleaning what's left of the dirt, and after that we're gonna get to the spraying. Right guys?
Alright guys, so we already put the frame paint in here. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna give it a layer of the frame paint. You don't really need to mix it with anything, guys, not even reducer, just pour it in there and start shooting. So that's what we're gonna start doing. So let's get to it. Oh, by the way, we already cleaned it with paint thinner, sorry. So it's already prepped. So let's start spraying. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done for the first coat. Like I said guys, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't affect how we're gonna fix the truck. It's just so the undercarriage could look black. So that's pretty much it. That's the first coat. I'm gonna let it sit there for 10 minutes and then come back and give it the second coat. So let's get to it. I'm gonna clean this. Okay guys, so we're back. We let it sit there for about 15 minutes, so it's pretty much ready for the second pass. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so that's pretty much the second coat. We covered the whole thing. That should be it for tonight. Like always guys, this is it. So just stay tuned and just like and subscribe guys.
Like and subscribe, guys. Thanks.